Dear students, in this video I am going to explain you the notification which ICAI sends today. This notification is extension of time for registering CA Foundation for writing this November-December 2020 examination. Actually, ICAI initially told in the month of April or March that students have to do registration for writing this November 2020 examination on or before 30th June 2020 in their FAQ. This FAQ they released even after knowing that there is a COVID situation, COVID-19. But today on 1st July they released another notification extending the time for registration. Now they extended till August 31st. Okay, because many students are not having even the 10th mark sheet, 10th standard mark sheet they are not having, because all the schools used to have this mark sheet and they will give to the students only at the time of when they getting transfer certificate from the school. So that is the time generally all the schools used to give. Without 10th mark sheet, this registration itself is not possible. This is called provisional registration. So now ICAI has extended the time for provisional registration. I will tell you when your registration actually will be completed. You have to upload your 12th standard, okay, or if you are from Andhra, they will say inter college, okay, that is equivalent to the 12th standard school completion thing. So that you have to upload. Only then your registration is perfect. So till that time is called provisional registration. Okay, so the exam will be conducted in the month of December 2020, for which you have time to register till August 2020. 31st August you have time. So you have like full July, full August you have time. You can get your 10th mark sheet from your school along with the 12th admit card. See, I guess this 12th result of a state board will come in next month, July, this month actually, July 6th to 10th they will release. CBSE they will release very soon. Maybe in August they will release CBSE's released result. So if you want to do now, you can do with your admit card itself. If you can after, for example, state board students, after this result if you want to register, you can directly upload your 12th mark sheet, and better, because no original mark sheet you will not be receiving immediately, you will get only the pass or marks as well. So you use your admit card, along with that you also upload your provisional pass mark which your government is going to release through website. And obviously you should have your 10th mark sheet, that is mandatory. So you should have the original 10th mark sheet, that only you have to take a photo. And make sure your name is correct. Your name which you are giving to ICAI, the name which is reflecting your 10th mark sheet should exactly match. Otherwise your registration, they will register you, but it will be on hold. Okay, see, payment only the main matter. Once you paid, obviously your registration is confirmed, this one. Okay, so all the best. In the next video I will tell what are the things you should take for the examination. Okay, thank you.